Today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix your thinning dreadlock. So if your locks look like this one here, I got you. Also, if you want to combine your dreads, or if you have a dread that fell off and you want to reattach it, this method will work for that too. Now if I could just find the one dreadlock I have that needs to be fixed. So you see here, hopefully the camera focuses, but this dread is thin as shit right here. Maybe if I twist it, you can really see how thin it is. Kind of puffs up, but this can easily break off. And what you need to fix this, or these crochet hooks, you can order these on Amazon. I'll actually put the link in the description. The set I bought came with just 2 of these, and I used the 0.5 millimeter one. I haven't tried using the 75 millimeter, but it's bigger, so it might damage your locks if it's too big. So I recommend using this one, the smaller one. And the process for fixing your locks, no matter if you need to reattach it, combine multiple, or just fix a thinning one, it's pretty much the same. So you see how the ends where they're thick and then it starts to thin, you just grab it together. And what I do, this is the dangerous part, but once you get it close together, you're basically gonna wanna push this inside of the dreadlock and just keep doing it. And what this is doing is it's creating knots in the dread itself, which will keep it together. I just did this real quick, but you can see it's not thin anymore. It's pretty attached and it feels firmer, which is a good thing. And you can pretty much do that, just do that with 2 dreads if you wanted to combine them, or if you had one that fell off, you can reattach it to the hair if you pretty much do the same process. And you obviously, I'm not going to reattach these dreads back to me, but I do have one I did want to combine. You would pretty much do the same thing, but you would start wherever it needs to be combined, and you would pretty much hold it together and do this throughout the length of the dreadlock. But yeah, you pretty much want to do that throughout the length of the dreadlock. I wouldn't do it too close to your roots because you might pull some hairs out or damage the roots of your dreads. And if you damage the roots, that's not good at all. Oh yeah, almost forgot. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you're new.